Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can buy Apple shares for just $1 here in Nigeria. A lot of people don't actually know they can own a part of Apple by just buying Apple shares without even going out of Nigeria. Just buying it on your phone here in Nigeria, you can own a part of Apple. And not just Apple, there are a lot of foreign stocks that you can buy. You can buy from Tesla, Netflix, Facebook, Google, Instagram, a lot of different foreign stocks. I'll be showing you here in this video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, my name is Femi Olani and I make content on personal finance, savings, investment, and how to invest in cryptocurrencies and the stock market and how you can manage your finances. So if you love money conversations and you really want to make money, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like this video. Please guys, like this video. Now to how you can buy Apple shares here in Nigeria for just $1. Yeah, so the first thing you have to do is to make sure you sign up on Trove. Now, Trove is an app that is used to invest in American, Chinese, and Nigerian stocks, bonds, ETFs, and more with as little as 1,000 naira. Just as little as 1,000 naira. Now, if you are not using laptop, you can download it on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Now, the next thing for you to do is to log into your account. Now, if you don't have a Trove Investment account, make sure you use the link in my description. You're going to get 5 shares of GT Bank or Dangote Sugar for free. Yes, for free, guys. You're going to get 5 shares of Dangote Sugar or GT Bank for free. Now, so let me log into my Trove Investment account. As you can see, this is the home page of the Trove Investment app. On the left side of the screen, you're going to see the menu. And then on the home page, you see wallet balance, 5,000 naira, portfolio 7, top performing holdings, Dangote Sugar. And then you have a lot of information to get on the home page. Now to how you can buy Apple shares on the Trove Investment app. The next thing is to go to Browse Assets. Check out the left side of the screen, Browse Assets. So once you tap on Browse Assets, it's going to show you all the assets you can find on the app. There are over 4,000 shares you can buy on Trove Investment app. So yeah, we'll go to search assets name. You can see it's up here. Then you type in Apple, yeah. So we are buying, is this second one we are buying, this one? Yeah, so once you tap on it, it's going to show you a lot of information you need to know about the stock you want to buy and all of that. Then if you scroll down, you can see different things. It's going to show you the sector, the PE ratio, the PB ratio, market cap, and a lot of things you have to do. And here you can see expert reviews. Analysts, 84% are saying you should buy, 15% are saying you should hold, and 0% is telling you to sell. So you can see it's very advisable to buy Apple shares right now. So right now, as you the next thing is to buy. So click on trade here. So once you click on trade, then you can see select trade type. Now there are 2 types of trade type here. You have market and you have limit. Now what's the difference? Market, once you select market, it means that you want to buy at that current price, at the current market price, and the current market price here is $121. That means one share of Apple is $121. Or if you pick the limit trade type, it means that you want to you want to type in your own price. For example, if I select limit, I'll select the price in which I want to sell. I want to buy. Let's say I want to buy at $120. So that means that if I should proceed to payment and all of that, that means that this share won't buy until the price gets to $120. That's the meaning. But I'm not buying at limit. I want to buy at the market price. So that means I'm buying at $121. I'm buying at $121. So the next thing is to enter quantity, or you enter the amount you want to spend. So let's say for the sake of this training, let's enter $10. So if you enter $10, let me enter $10. So if you enter $10, it means you will get 0.0824 shares of Apple. So right now, the next thing is to proceed to payment. So once you click on proceed to payment, then you see the next thing is it show you all the information, and so that you can confirm amount in USD $10, estimated quantity. This is what you get. Service fee is just $0.1. Then the next thing is to confirm transaction. So once you click on confirm transaction, and you can see transaction processing, Apple amount in USD $10, estimated quantity 0.082, service fee 0.1, processing fee 0. And that is all you have to do to buy Apple shares. Just like that, I've bought Apple shares. And not only Apple, you can buy from different companies. Let's check out Netflix. There are a lot of foreign shares that you can buy on this app. A lot. Let's check out Netflix. So this is Netflix. Yeah, you can see. If you want to select, if you want to buy Netflix shares too, it's just like the same thing. Just click on trade to, and then you select your market type. Like for example, let's say you want to buy at a limit price, and just select. Currently is $515 for one share. So you can just, let's say you want to buy just you want to buy when it gets to 500 and let's say 514 or 13. Then you enter the amount you want to spend. Let's say for example $10. Then it's going to show you the amount of shares you're going to get, and then you proceed to payment. And that is how you can buy foreign shares on Trove Investment app, whether Apple, Tesla, Netflix, Facebook, and all of that. That's how you can buy on the Trove Investment app. Don't forget, if you've not signed up on the Trove Investment app, use the link in my description to sign up. You get 5 free shares of Dangote Sugar or GT Bank. And don't forget, guys, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and guys, let's get to 1,000 subscribers very, very soon. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you've learned one thing or the other. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.